you're a solo business owner still writing every client email from scratch, this is going to save you hours every week. You stare at the blank email, you write a line, delete it, rewrite it, 10 minutes for 5 sentences. Every single time. I'm going to show you how to fix that with ChatGPT. Free, live, on screen, right now. If you don't have it, go to chatgpt.com and create a free account. 2 minutes. If you do, open it now. Here's what's actually happening when email takes forever. It's not that you're bad at writing, it's that you're making the same decision from scratch every single time you open a blank email. What tone do I use? How do I start? How do I say this without sounding rude? How do I follow up without sounding desperate? You're not writing one email. You're solving a communication puzzle from scratch every time. The fix? You set a set of templates, prompts you give to ChatGPT, that handle the thinking for you. Fill in the specifics, read it once, tweak one line, send. We're going to go over 3 of them. Right now, the prompts are in the description. Copy them directly. The first email I want to show you is the follow-up email. This is the email I hear about the most. You sent something, heard nothing. You don't know how to check in without sounding annoying. Copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT and click enter. Again, you have all the prompts in the description. Write a short, friendly follow-up email to a client I haven't heard from in 10 days about a proposal I sent. Keep it in under 5 sentences. My tone is warm but professional. And in a few seconds, ChatGPT has an email ready for you. 90 seconds, copy, paste, change the name, and send. Next. The second email is the email no one wants to write. This is the invoice email. You're chasing an overdue invoice. People avoid this for days because they don't want to sound aggressive. Copy and paste this prompt. Write a polite but firm email reminding a client that an invoice for a certain amount was due X days ago. Keep it professional and warm, and don't apologize for asking. That last instruction, don't apologize for asking, that's the part people always get wrong manually. They soften until it has no weight, but AI doesn't have that problem. Again, in a few seconds, you have an email. Here, you just plug in your client name, the specifics, and your name. If you think this is too soft, for example, type in the chat, make it slightly more assertive, and see how ChatGPT adapts it to your situation. Same email, different register, you pick. Last one, the email most solo business owners never send at all. The email that sets boundaries, response times, revision limits, availability. People avoid it because it feels confrontational. Copy this prompt. Write a short, professional email letting a client know that my response time is 24 hours on weekdays and I don't take calls on Fridays. Keep it warm but clear, make it sound like a normal business policy, not a complaint. That last instruction matters. Make it sound like a normal business policy, not a complaint. The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT performs. The move most people skip, and the one that actually saves you time long-term, is keeping your prompts in a Google Doc. Open a Google Doc or create a new one and call it My Email Templates. Paste in all 3 prompts with a header for each. Next time you need to write a follow-up, you open this doc, copy the prompt, fill in 2 details, done in 2 minutes instead of 20. This is what a system looks like. Not complicated, just something most people never set up. 3 prompts, 1 Google Doc, all in the description. Copy them in ChatGPT and use them today. What's the email you dread the most? Drop it in the comments. I'll write you a prompt for it in the replies. If this was useful, subscribe. We have new systems for solo business owners every week.